Hi, I'm Joe Gallaher, the founder of Gallaher Fleet Solutions. Today, I'm talking about the blog for November. It is called The Cost of Skipped Fluid Changes. So, in this blog, we go over fluid changes or a coolant system flush and why it's important to do it. And if you don't do it, what it can cost you in the long term. So, we talk about the specifics of coolant system flush or coolant replacement, talk about transmission service intervals, things such as differentials and wheel end hubs, as well as the power steering fluid. These are a lot of items that fleet owners and truck drivers don't look at every day because it's harder to check the oil. We do them at a regular PMs and make sure that the fluid looks good, that it's up to the right level. But when the interval comes, it is good to replace them because it really prevents a major breakdown from happening. So, for an example, if you don't replace your differential fluid around the 200 to 300,000 mile mark, then it could cause premature wear or rear end failure, which is very expensive to get fixed. So, we go over that in detail, talk about it, why you should do it, some of the basic intervals for tractors, as well as some of the heavy duty trucks that we see on a day-to-day basis. Check it out. It's going to be informational. If you have any questions about it, please respond to the email so we can answer your questions further in depth and get you an answer specifically for your fleet or for your truck. Thanks. Have a good day.